On January the 6th, we departed Ottawa, and after a smooth 3-hour flight, touched down in Fort Myers on time. After settling into our home and to our community, we soon headed out with friends to hear country music at some different venues. We enjoyed the annual Ben Allen concert at Babcock Ranch with over 80 other Fountain View residents in mid-January. Later in the month, we went to TT's Bar overlooking scenic Charlotte Harbor and Punta Gorda to hear the Pure Country Band. We honored our good friend Gloria Hitchings with a surprise 80th birthday party at Habanero's Mexican Grill, and then Maggie Jones on her 70th with a surprise neighborhood birthday party. I really enjoyed playing in my 16th season with the Fountain View volleyball team, and we had a great year. We went to the Red Bones Bar and Grill in downtown Fort Myers to hear our neighbor Rudy play bass and sing vocals with his bandmate Matt Myers. We were fortunate to have Chris and Tina Turlo move into our park this year along with their friend Mike and bring us the gift of music from their band The Cahoots, who play back in Michigan, and we enjoyed hearing them at many happy hours. One of my personal highlights this season was being asked to join an all-male Hawaiian dance troupe, and we played and were enjoyed by a packed house at our pig roast. We hope to get many more bookings next season. The tradition in Fountain View is every afternoon around 4 o'clock, someone or several people host happy hours we can attend, and they're always a pile of fun. Tom is making margaritas at our party here over at Orbeez, making margaritas for everybody. Dixie had a street happy hour tonight with all the neighbors. Everybody's kind of finishing up eating. We had a great spread of food. Bobby and Sue have having a big neighborhood party here tonight. And we have got a crowd, and we've got live music too. Every year, our neighbors and good friends, Nancy and Noel Miller, host neighbors and friends for their annual pancake breakfast. Another annual treat is when Ray Crotto makes us all homemade pizzas on his barbecue. Right off the barbecue, all ready to go. Winter wouldn't be complete in Florida without the annual visit of my granddaughter Yana and my son Mark. And I really appreciated my granddaughter teaching Grampy some new dance moves at a street party in downtown Cape Coral. The most special event this season for Nancy and I was a Night to Shine, hosted by our church, where we were buddies for this special needs couple, and we had a great meal and dance at this prom-like event for over 75 of our special needs residents in our community. The Super Bowl is always a big event in Florida, and over 50 residents gathered at the Sandbar in downtown Fort Myers to watch the big game. It was a pleasure to have Judy and Jerry Morris drop in for lunch, as Jerry is a member of our bike group back in Canada. Another fun event this winter was a scenic sunset cruise on the Caloosahatchee River for over 30 of us, organized by good friend Anita Waggy. Clint Drollinger, our organizer for our Kingsgate Golf Group, kindly took all of us golfers and our wives out for lunch and drinks at Gators in Port Charlotte this past winter. Our biggest project in years took place this winter with the complete renovation of our kitchen, dining room, and hallway. Let's look at the before and after project. This is our kitchen as it is now. We're just starting a renovation in the new year. Nancy and I have been stripping it down. All these old cabinets will be gone. We've already ripped out the floor, And down the hallway here, all these cabinets will be replaced as well. This little wall will be gone. So it's going to be a major renovation. Thanks to my project manager. Finally, the kitchen is done. We'll probably change the dining room set, maybe add some more decorations or a piece of furniture. But it's turned out beautiful, thanks to my wife's careful planning. There's the backsplash that was just installed the last couple days. There's the new pantries down the hall. And of course, all new appliances, new fridge, microwave, stove, and dishwasher, all stainless steel. All new lighting, plugs, complete retrofit. These windows are now gone, and there was a window above the sink, which is now drywalled in as well. So my wife really put this all together with the help of some friends and a couple of contractors, but we're very happy with the end result. The week before we left for home, our good friends and neighbors, Christine and David Joseph from Detroit, came down for a visit, and we always enjoy a dinner at Capone's Italian restaurant in downtown Fort Myers. The greatest blessing this season was when our good friend and neighbor, Kathy Cundy, after 6 weeks in ICU, hospital, and a rehab center, was finally able to come home and continue her recovery there. Finally, it was time to fly home, and after a 3-hour flight, touched down in Ottawa to complete our 16th season in Florida.